Okay, so today's Vlogmas video is gonna be a little different and a little weird. Don't mind my dog eating in the background because he's literally eating his dinner right now. I'm not sure exactly when this video is going to go up just because it's actually gonna be filmed over a couple of days versus just like one day. Mostly because it's going to be an unboxing of things that I got for Black Friday as well as things that I got for the Soulcycle big sale that they do every year. I haven't received anything. I've only received one box, but I want to use it tomorrow. So that was really obnoxious. So I'm going to just unbox this right now, and then as I keep getting things, I'll keep unboxing more and more things. So it's probably going to be quite a few different days, quite a few different outfits and hairstyles. So if you're confused, that's why. Okay, so you're welcome for this angle. It's also nighttime outside, so the lighting is really not good. But this I got from Glossier, and if you watched my first video from when I went to Boston recently, I went with my husband and my friend, and we went to the Glossier pop-up shop that was down in Boston, in Seaport. And that was the first time I had ever gotten anything from Glossier. This time I wanted to get some different stuff. So this time I got, for the sample, I got the Future Dew Oil Serum. And the reason I picked this for my sample is because I want to try this, but I didn't want to commit to spending all of the money on it just yet. I want to see kind of if I like it first. So I got my sticker. As always, it came in this cute little pink package, which these are so awesome for traveling. If you ever need like little things, or if you want to keep something in your purse, these are awesome for that. So the two things that I got are the Lash Slick Mascara. I've been using I've used a couple of different mascaras. The one that my all-time favorite is the Benefit silver one. I can't think of the name, but either way, that's my absolute favorite. It's just so expensive, so I haven't gotten it in a long time, but I really like it. That's my forever favorite. But I've heard also a lot of really good things about Glossier's mascara, so I really wanted to try this out and see what I think. I'm also in the process of trying to convert all of my beauty products, whether it's anything for my hair, lotions, makeup removers, anything, to like a cruelty, vegan, like natural products, just because I've read a lot about products like that having a contributing factor to women that are infertile. And I think I've said in previous videos, like my husband and I are trying to like have a baby, so I don't want to use anything that could be harmful to that. And I believe that most, if not all, of Glossier products are all cruelty-free and like natural. So anyway, it's a process. It's finding products that I like and things that I trust and everything like that. So anyway, the only other thing that I got is the Hil.Grace Dew Effect Highlighter, and this I've actually looked at for a long time. I don't know if this has a color. The quartz, that's the color. I don't know if that's, but either way. So I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Ooh, I've never used eyeliner like this before, so I'm excited to see what the difference is versus just like a powder. So anyway, these are just the two things that I got today. Like I said, I really want to use these tomorrow when I do my makeup, so I wanted to unbox them now. Hey guys, so it is actually the following night, so this is definitely not a typical Vlogmas video. I actually got 3 more packages in today, so I think I'm just gonna finish off this video with opening these. So lucky for you, it's gonna be the exact same terrible setup that I had last night for the unboxing video. But anyway, so this first one is from Casetify. They are a cell phone case, and I think actually other things as well. Company, you can actually go on there and customize and make your own, as well as purchase some of the ones that they do, like the ones that they sell the designed for. So one of these, I got two. If you watched my other video, you know that I got a new phone. I got the new iPhone 11 Pro. One of these is for me, and one of these is for my sister for her Christmas present. So this might be it. I'm not gonna show that one in case she watches my video. This one's mine. I love it. Hers I'm not gonna open, basically. So mine is just the plain, like, white impact case. So I just designed it myself, like I was kind of saying before, and I put my initials down at the bottom, which is HE, and it's in like this baby pink, so I'm super excited to get that. This is the cutest little box. Okay, so this next box is so cute. I had a gift card for Luca And Grae, which is, I think I said before, Aspen and Parker's online store. I had a gift card for them from a purchase that I had previously made, and then with it being Black Friday and everything, they had a lot of discounts. So, sorry. So, if you have not seen one of these before, the box looks like this on the top. It says, "Hello there, you have great taste." I know. So cute. So I got 3 things with my gift card. This first thing I'm actually super excited about, so I hope it fits. But it's just this baby pink, which it looks more peach in the camera, but it's just this baby pink jacket. And I got it in a medium large, so I'm really hoping that this fits. It's really, really, really cute. Super, super, super soft. So it's just this little pink plain shirt, which I do not have enough of this. This is in a size large. And then last but not least, so then these are the pants that I got. They're just white, and they have like this little pink detail on the side that are like palm branches. These will be so cute on our trip. I don't know if I said we were going. I'm not going to. That'll be exciting. We leave in a couple of days. In 1 week, we'll be there. Then, the last package is probably the bigger one. This is something I have been waiting for since like the end of November, like the 20th or something like that. If you follow or do Soulcycle, they had one of their really big sales where like everything goes on sale. So I got a couple of things. I ended up with a cart full of like $500 worth of stuff, and I did not spend that amount of money. So, ooh. I don't know if I paid for that. Did I pay for that, or was that free? Let me see. Anyway, this was free, I guess. So cute. So if you've ever bought anything from Soulcycle, you know that they use these really, really cute reusable bags for everything. I've never had one this big, and the one that I have is just a plain silver. This one is like that really cute metallic-y look. So cute. So this thing was probably the most expensive, and this was something that I really, really wanted. So Soul has a lot of different studios all around the country and even out of the country. Side note, there's one in London, which Andrew can hear me. I'm like obsessed with London lately, and that's really, it's on my list. I have to go. So anyway, so I got this in a size extra large because I wanted it to be big and oversized, or even just like comfortable. So it's just black, and it says Soul on the front, and then on the back side, you won't be able to see it because it's really, really little. But on the back side, it has a list of every single Soul location. Except it's probably missing some because, well, I know it's missing some actually, because my home studio, which is Tampa, is not on here. But either way, super, super, soft and comfy. So this will be good for our trip too, just because it's comfy. The next thing I got, I keep seeing everything. I'm so excited. So the next thing I got were just a pair, I got these, of these leggings. They're Lululemon, Lululemon and Soul. I wear a size 10 in their leggings. These are just the Wonder Unders. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very clearly. Oh, actually you can. But it's like that really pretty striped material. So these will be really, really good. And then down on the leg, they're not just normal Lululemon. They say Soulcycle on the calf area. So that actually is really, really would be cute to wear together. Those can go on my trip too. This next thing I was so excited about and I wanted so bad. It is another like sweatshirt, except this one's just crew neck. So it's this really pretty, I don't even know what color, like blue gray. I got it in a size large and it's like the splatter paint. They had a pair of matching pants and I don't think I got the pants because I think the pants were sold out. Yeah, they were sold out, so I didn't get the pants. But I really liked the top either way. And if you know me, I love to wear clothes like that. Are just like so comfortable all the time, like Exhibit A. Even though I just got back home from work. So that's kind of why I'm wearing this, but regardless, I want to leave the smaller things for last. And I'm really excited to pull those out of there. This could have pulled this out differently, but that's fine. So the next piece are these pants that I was excited about as well. I was pretty much excited about every single thing. So they look like this. So these pants look like this. And they just say Soulcycle down the leg. Ooh, they're comfy too. Those I got in a size large. I've never worn anything Soulcycle brand before, other than my shirt that I have. So hopefully these will fit and be comfortable. So then, this is a tank top, which I wear these when I do my classes. So I got this in a size extra large. It's just like a baby pink. And then on the front, they have their signature logo with like the skull and crossbones and soul on it. And then it says Soulcycle down the back. That's really cute. I had a ton of these picked out, but I settled on only 3 of them. I think 3. 1, 2, 3. So I got some of the Soul socks, not shoes, socks. These are actually would be very, very good to wear when you're wearing like their shoes because they actually go up a little higher on the ankle. And most of my socks are really short. Oh, and they say Soul on the inside. Find your soul. So anyway, these are the first ones. And then I got a pair of their blue ones and a pair of their pink ones. And then I have 3 pairs to wear. And then last but not least, one thing I do not have until now is like an official bag that I bring for when I do Soul and when I take the classes. So when I saw this, I really, really wanted to get it. Plus it's just like a cute bag. I also kind of want to get to a point where I have a pair of shoes of my own, because if you don't know or you've never done Soul before, you have to pay to rent shoes every single time you take a class, which does make sense. It's like $3 or something like that, $3.50 I think at my studio, but I think it does range based on what studio you're at. So I got this bag, so I want to be able to kind of keep everything in here, and that way if I get shoes, then they just stay in here and I don't have to worry about like where they are and things like that. So it's just pink, and then it actually on the top here has a little zipper, so it's like a legit bag. It's not like a bag that can be open, and it's honestly a pretty good size. So that is everything that I got. I got a lot of stuff, I feel like, everything compared. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas. Bye.